Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll be diving into how to sign up on Binance and use Binance referral codes to unlock the best bonuses and rewards. If you're a new user or a beginner looking to create an account on Binance, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk you through the entire process, from signing up to claiming your bonuses. Let's get started. Binance is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges globally, known for its comprehensive suite of trading options and user-friendly interface. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures trading, or even copy trading, Binance offers something for everyone. It's especially great for beginners who are just starting their trading journey. Using Binance referral codes comes with numerous benefits. For new users, there are special sign-up bonuses and rewards that can significantly enhance your trading experience. By using a Binance referral code during the registration process, you can unlock additional bonuses such as reduced trading fees, extra deposit bonuses, and other great rewards. Let's get started with the sign-up process. Follow these simple steps to create your account and claim your bonuses. 1. Visit the Binance website. Go to the Binance official website. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. 2. Click on the Register button. On the homepage, you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and confirm your password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will need to verify it later. 4. Enter a Binance referral code. If you have a Binance referral code, this is where you'll enter it. Using a referral code will ensure you receive the maximum possible bonus. If you don't have one, you can often find them online or through affiliate programs. 5. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box to proceed. 6. Complete the verification. Binance will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, open the email, and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, it's time to claim your bonuses. Here's how. 1. Log in to your account. Use your email and password to log in to your new Binance account. 2. Go to the bonus section. Navigate to the bonus or reward section of the dashboard. 3. Enter any bonus codes. If you have additional Binance bonus codes, you can enter them here to unlock more rewards. 4. Complete any required actions. Some bonuses may require you to complete specific actions, like making a deposit or completing a certain number of trades. Follow the instructions to ensure you receive your bonuses. As a beginner, here are some tips to get you started on Binance. 1. Explore the platform. Take some time to explore the Binance platform. Familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading. 2. Start with small trades. If you're new to trading, start with small amounts to get a feel for how the market works and how trades are executed on Binance. 3. Use copy trading. Binance offers various tools and features that allow you to follow and copy the trades of experienced traders. This is a great way to learn and potentially earn profits without having to make all the decisions yourself. 4. Understand Binance trading fees. Be aware of the trading fees on Binance. Understanding these fees can help you manage your trading costs more effectively. 5. Take advantage of Binance Affiliate Program. If you enjoy using Binance, consider joining the Binance Affiliate Program. You can earn commissions by referring others to the platform using your unique referral link. That's it for today's tutorial on how to sign up on Binance and use referral codes to get the best bonuses. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Binance.